everyone. Today I'm testing Marble WorldLabs, which is a 3D tool to convert your photos and prompts into 3D worlds online. And let me show how it works. Add some more scenes of kids going into the spaceship. And I'm looking around, and I actually decided just to skip all this and just try a simple prompt in the text for now. I wanted to put a character into the panorama as well. I copied this character who is Zoe, and yeah, so the panorama is still not ready. So yeah, we'll be still waiting, and possibly sometimes it doesn't even end anytime soon. So that's pretty long. Okay, so yeah, finally it's done, and we see decent result. Again, low res, and it's only a draft panorama as I see it. And then I tried adding an image prompt, putting the Zoe character there, and being able to add her on the first plan. So standing on the tarmac, waiting for her friend. But this basically didn't work for me at all. So you can see it from here. I managed to attach an image, but it didn't end the process. So as you can see, by the way, it uses the Nana Banana image editing, but it didn't end at all. Even it shows about 20 seconds, it ran forever. Here, I switched back to the panorama with kids and created a draft 3D world where I can move around, navigate, and it's actually a Gaussian splatting. You can see how distorted some characters are, and that's basically what this tool can do at the moment. It's even paid subscription, but it won't work exceptionally well. Yeah, I tried to upgrade it to the world, but as you can see, it doesn't work. So far, the tool is really immature and it doesn't really do what I wanted from it. But maybe they will be able to fix it soon. So let's see. Now I'm trying another scene where it was successfully generated before, and I'm navigating through the scene, putting keyframes in the animation preview mode, and the goal is to shoot a flyover where I can set up a few keyframes that will later animate. So let's see how it goes. I removed the previous one accidentally, so now let's put a few on this side. As you can see, yeah, where you're too close, the splat gets distorted. And here's my path. Now I'm going back, adding another keyframes, and the plan is to replay it and see how it goes. So let's see. Let's see what do we get now. Okay, video is exporting. Wow. It looks okay, actually. Nice.